been a while since I did a video, but I am getting into the renos at the moment, and the upstairs is a happening thing. Final plans are in. I'm getting all the tradies ready to go, so this video is just a bit of the demolition derby that's happening behind the scenes before all of the real building, I guess, starts. So I'll take you along for the ride as always, and I hope you enjoy the video that I'm going to put together. Oh yeah!
Oh yeah! Uh-oh.
Alright, so we've done the back wall. As you can see, what we're going to get to today is taking out some of the plaster work on this wall, and we'll take you along for the ride. So I've pulled down a heap of stuff, chucking out a heap of stuff, and we're going to head to the tip for the umpteenth time. Let's go. A lot of stuff, so predominantly plaster and whatever, but I thought let's tidy up the yard a bit as we go. So starting to come together. We're getting ready for all the tradies to start coming in the upstairs and get all the roughing in done before we start filling in and filling out and having it look like a new place. So today we are about to start getting tradies in, which is hugely exciting. We are going to be starting on the major works of the upstairs. So out here you can see the prep work that's going on as in here. So I'm going to start ripping down some more stuff from my end. Traders will be coming in and getting some wiring, plumbing, all sorts of other stuff done. So I'm going to take you along for the ride, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. Mostly ripped out the spare toilet. I'm going to do another tip run now. It's, I don't know, I think it's high 30 degrees today, so I'm pretty pooped. But we're going to do that, and later this week you'll see all these frames going to move about and disappear. So today's the day. We are off to Bunnings right now. to get all of the framing and the cladding and the insulation and the front door and all sorts of stuff. The windows already arrived. I am losing my mind excited. So the renos are well and truly underway, and I will show you the progress as it happens. So just finished at Bunnings. We're going to head out now, head home and unload everything. Let's go. So I hope you enjoyed the little snap together of the demolition portion. Hopefully in the next little while I'll be putting up a video that will have the building bits and pieces. First off, hopefully will be the kitchen coming together and all of the framing work and stuff that'll be going in place before the kitchen goes in. So I'll take you along for the ride and show you that as it happens.